Hi, first graders. We are back with day 2, and we're going to start off with another decodable. So you can use the same crayons as yesterday if you would like, or you can use different colors. So we are still working on that short A and short I. So Mrs. Walker is our student again. Now Mrs. Walker is putting up red A and blue I. So she's going to go in there, and any words that have that short A, she's going to color red. Any words that have the short I that says she's going to color in blue. Go ahead and read our first sentence, Mrs. Walker. Dad has gas in the van. Ooh, I heard lots of short A's. She's going to color the A in dad, A in has, gas, and van. How many I's do I spy? Just the one in. Okay, so same thing as yesterday, guys. This next page, though, is going to be a little different. This is a word sort. So if you would like to cut them apart, you may, and then you can sort all of the short I's on one side and all of the short A's on the other side. Or you could just color the box, whichever color. So Mrs. Walker, which one would you like to do today? Perfect. So she's going to make the A's red, it looks like, and the I's blue. Again, if you're going to color, you may choose any colors to use. And if you're going to cut, feel free to cut as well. Okay, so let's look at the first word. What's that very first word, Mrs. Walker? In. And what do you hear? Do you hear ah or eh? Very nice. So we're going to color that one blue. Okay, how about that second word? Sat. What sound do you hear in there? Ah, coloring red. Okay, and that's what you're going to do for this page. Again, you may choose your colors, or if you want to cut and sort that way, feel free to, guys. And that's all we've got for today. Have fun.